How do businesses navigate their complex environments? Understanding both micro and macro environments is crucial. This video explores methods to measure these environments, providing insights for strategic planning. The internal environment includes factors within the company. These affect its ability to serve customers and achieve goals. External environment involves broader forces outside the company. These can impact the industry as a whole. Understanding both is key to strategic success. Microenvironment includes internal and industry-specific factors. Macroenvironment covers broader external forces like political and economic changes. Micro factors directly influence day-to-day operations. Macro factors shape industry trends and strategic decisions. Both environments require careful analysis. Measuring the microenvironment involves assessing internal operations. Factors include customer needs, supplier relationships, and competitor strategies. Tools like customer surveys and supplier audits are used. Competitor analysis helps understand market positioning. Internal audits assess operational efficiency. Value chain analysis examines internal activities. It identifies where value is added to products or services. Primary activities include logistics and sales. Support activities cover infrastructure and technology. The goal is to optimize processes and enhance competitiveness. VRIO stands for Value, Rarity, Imitability, and Organization. It evaluates a company's resources and capabilities. The aim is to identify sustainable competitive advantages. Resources must add value and be rare and hard to imitate. Organization ensures effective exploitation of these resources. Porter's 5 Forces framework analyzes industry competition. It examines the threat of new entrants and substitutes. It also looks at buyer and supplier power. Industry rivalry is another key focus. This analysis helps businesses strategize for competitive advantage. Competitor analysis identifies strengths and weaknesses of rivals. It involves understanding their market strategies. This analysis helps anticipate competitor moves. It also identifies opportunities for differentiation. Companies can improve their strategic positioning through this process. Sector analysis evaluates the health of the industry. It examines growth trends and competitive intensity. Market demand and profitability are key factors. Regulatory impacts are also considered. This analysis helps identify opportunities and mitigate risks. Macroenvironment analysis looks at external forces. PESTLE framework is commonly used. It covers political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. These factors influence strategic planning. Understanding them helps businesses adapt to changes. Political factors include government policies and regulations. Trade restrictions and political stability are also considered. These factors can significantly impact business operations. Companies must stay informed about policy changes. This helps in strategic planning and risk management. Economic factors involve interest rates and inflation. Economic growth and exchange rates are also crucial. These factors affect consumer spending and demand. Businesses need to monitor economic trends. This helps in forecasting and strategic planning. Social factors include demographic changes and cultural trends. Consumer attitudes and lifestyle changes are also key. These factors influence market demand and preferences. Businesses must understand social trends. This helps in product development and marketing strategies. Technological factors cover advancements and innovation. Research and development activity is crucial. Automation and technology adoption are key considerations. Businesses need to keep pace with technological changes. This helps maintain competitiveness and drive growth. Environmental factors include sustainability and climate change. Regulations and ecological impacts are considered. Companies are accountable for their environmental footprint. Businesses must adopt sustainable practices. This helps in compliance and brand reputation. Legal factors involve laws and regulations. Employment, health, and safety laws are crucial. Intellectual property and trade regulations are also key. Compliance is essential for business operations. Legal audits help manage risks and ensure adherence. Scenario analysis predicts future events. It evaluates potential impacts on business. Multiple scenarios are developed. This helps in strategic planning and risk management. Companies prepare for various possible futures. SWOT analysis identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It aligns internal capabilities with external factors. Opportunities and threats focus on external environment. This analysis helps in strategic decision-making. It guides businesses in leveraging strengths and mitigating threats. Applying microenvironment techniques involves practical analysis. Internal and external factors are assessed. Techniques like value chain and VRIO are used. Competitor and sector analysis provide insights. This helps in improving operational efficiency and strategic positioning. Applying macroenvironment techniques involves assessing external factors. PESTLE, scenario, and SWOT analyses are used. These techniques evaluate market position and growth potential. Businesses can anticipate changes and adapt strategies. This ensures long-term success in a dynamic environment. Verdo Electric Vehicles applies these techniques. PESTLE analysis evaluates external factors. Scenario analysis prepares for future uncertainties. SWOT analysis aligns internal strengths with external opportunities. These analyses help Verdo navigate its competitive landscape. The company can strategically position itself for success. In conclusion, being able to measure a business's micro and macro environment is essential for understanding the internal and external factors that influence organizational success. Analyzing the microenvironment, such as customers, competitors, and suppliers, helps identify immediate opportunities and challenges, while examining the macroenvironment through tools like PESTLE analysis reveals broader economic, social, and technological trends. By effectively assessing these environments, businesses can make informed strategic decisions, adapt to change, and maintain a competitive edge in their industry. A thorough understanding of both contexts ensures proactive planning and sustainable growth. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07,484,361,688.